How to log Facebook profile picture on PC. What is up, everybody? In this tutorial, I'll show you guys a quick and easy way to lock your Facebook profile so others cannot view it or take a screenshot of it. So if you want to do that, first go ahead and open up your web browser on your PC. From there, you're just going to have to head over to facebook.com. Once you get here, make sure that you're logged into your account and simply click on your profile icon at the top left. And if you've already locked your profile, that's great. You can just go ahead and lock it first. And then what else you can do is if you go ahead and click on the profile picture right here, click on see profile picture. One more thing you can do is change the audience visibility here. So tap on the three dots and then click on edit audience. Now from here, make sure you set this to only me so that only you can view the picture and other people won't be able to expand it or take a screenshot or even save the picture. Click on save and you should be good to go. So if you're on PC, if you tap on the three dots, you should find the lock profile option here instead of unlock because I've already locked my profile, and you can lock your profile from here as well. That is pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and I'll see you guys on the next one.